All of us are just engineers. We're just hackers. We live in this house together. Right now in the US, it's very hard to build a robot. And there's a general sentiment that the only way to do it is to have $1 billion or some huge financial resources at your disposal. I just don't want to accept that that's the case. We built the robot in our house in Palo Alto. We started with 3D printers in our garage. Just 4 3D printers, we made the first version of the robot. It's a young team, people that really needed to mess up a few times. That's why we needed to build so many robots back to back. I think each time we messed up, we learned a lot more than anyone else would learn. I worked at Tesla for a few years on the FSD team, worked at Meta on sort of advanced AI research. Of all the teams that I've worked on, I think that K-Scale is the hardest working, the highest level of natural talent, and the most committed to a mission that matters. We don't have a lot of money, but we have this ability to just draw people in from the best parts of the ecosystem and get everyone working on one single project. Our long-term goal is really to get the best robot in the world to be like an open source platform and shared by everyone. So that's why we're doing hackathons, and like that's why we're kind of building it the way that we're building it. K-Bot is the very first personal robot, and you can audit it, you can take it apart, see the CAD models, see the software. You know exactly what's running on it. You really own it in every sense of the word. Our business is to enable people to solve their own problems as effectively as possible and to make that experience replicable and shareable. So if I am, in my kitchen, I'm going to teach my robot how to mop the floor, and that's going to make everyone else's robots a little bit better at mopping the floor. And so like the robots of the future will be able to mop the floor because the random guy decided to teach the technology how to do that before it was perfect. By being an open ecosystem and actually having a reference design that we can very easily share with people that know more than us, we're actually able to build the best products. We're going to manufacture them with a partner in Texas. Our software, our design, with their ability to manufacture good quality products at low cost, I think that's a winning combination. We're launching the K-Bot this summer, and if we don't launch, we're fucked. If we don't launch the robot, then someone else is going to launch it first, and I think the robot that they launch is going to not be open source, and I really can't stomach the idea of losing to Tesla or Figure, and I'm very happy to eat shit as long as it takes to win. Even if that means sleeping in a basement with no windows and 3 other people snoring next to me, we're going to win. It's just going to happen. All that I really want is for people to care about this and care about building it and making it better alongside us. If no one cares about it, I don't want to do it. I want to do it because I think people actually will care about it. That gives us purpose. That gives us a reason to keep doing this thing.